Hello everyone and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am sharing a royal and flavorful snack, Chicken Shahi Kabab. Soft, juicy and full of rich flavors. Perfect for your family meals or parties. Take 1 cup chicken pieces. 2 tablespoon onion, 2 green chilies, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. The blend of spices gives this dish its rich and luxurious aroma. Blend everything until smooth. Blend the mixture just enough. Over-blending can make it sticky. The word Shahi means royal. These kebabs were once made for kings. Now pour the mixture into a plate. Grease your hands with a little oil. And shape the kebabs as you like. Chicken kebabs originated from the Middle East but became popular in Mughal kitchens. Shahi kebabs are often served with mint chutney and lemon wedges. Fry them in medium heated oil for about 7 to 8 minutes. Fry on medium heat to ensure they cook evenly. You can also air fry or bake them for a healthier version. Chicken is high in protein and low in fat. Lemon juice and spices aid in digestion. Coriander and cumin are rich in antioxidants. A great low-carb, high-protein snack option. Cook until golden brown and crispy on the outside, soft and juicy inside. And that's our rich and flavorful chicken shahi kebab, perfect for evening snacks, lunch boxes, or festive platters. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer kebabs fried or grilled?